Hi, I'm Miss Tara at the Hummingbird Conservatory in Los Angeles, California.
And I am Miss Penny Piglette, a soprano in the Hummingbird Puppet Opera Theater.
And today, Miss Penny and I want to show you an exercise to help you singers out there with the #1 most important thing for singers, which is...
breath support!
Excellent. And why is this so important, Miss Penny?
Because, Miss Tara, as a singer, I sing on my exhale. That means when I'm breathing out.
Oh, very good. Okay, Miss Penny, are you ready to learn a great breathing exercise?
If you're ready to teach me, Miss Tara, do that teacher thing you do.
Okay, Miss Penny, we're going to breathe in really slowly, and then we're going to hold our breath for 12 beats, and then we're going to send the air out on a really thin stream of air all the way to the end of our breath support. You ready to give it a try? Okay, here we go. You ready? And... Great job, Miss Penny. Let's try again and do it for 16 beats. You ready? Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Good. Release the air, pulling your stomach muscles in, keeping it as consistent as you can, Miss Penny. Go all the way to the end of your support, all the way to the end. Good job. That was fantastic. Do you think you can try it one more time for 20 beats? Let's do it. You ready? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. Exhale, try to keep your exhale consistent. Pull your stomach muscles in, back towards your spine, sending the air all the way out. And even when you think you're done, send the last little bits out. Pull them in a little bit more, little bit more, little bit more. Wow. Miss Penny, that was fantastic. How do you feel?
I feel like I'm ready to sing some Vincenzo Tortellini.
Do you mean Vincenzo Bellini, the great bel canto opera composer?
Him too.
Okay, Miss Penny, you need to do this every day to build better breath support.
Every day? Like homework?
Every day. But as singers, we call our homework practicing. This is Miss Tara and Miss Penny Piglette from the Hummingbird Conservatory sending love and high notes. Until the next time.
Now I want to eat some pasta.